Hello guys, welcome back to the Ballerina language server video series. So this is the second video, and in this video we'll check out some features of Ballerina language server. So let's use the same code, and if you just hover over this function name println, you can see this box pops up and it says some information about the function. So this is a small definition, and this is how it's used, and these are the parameters. And here you have a link to API docs where you can find more details about it, or else you can just command click or control click in a Linux or Windows machine and get more details about the function. So here also, if you let's say, if you hover over this variable, you can get the type of this variable in type. So that is a useful feature. And also, if you right click on this function, you will be shown this set of features. Go to definition, go to references, peek, and rename symbol, and cool stuff like that. So I'll talk about these refactor source action stuff in a later video. And for now, let's check out this format document. So let's say if you have something like this, and you can select all and format the document with that feature. Okay, so the main feature we have in Ballerina language server, one of them is completions, and the second most important one is code actions. So let's explore completions. So let's say if you want to initialize a variable, and so let's start declaring it. So you can see when I'm typing, I'll be like, I'm getting suggested this int, and let's give a name, let's say age, and let's try to get it from a function. So I'm calling a function, but it's not declared. So this red highlights are compiler diagnostics. So compile is complaining every time you write incorrect code, and here it says undefined function get age, and here you can see there is a code embedded with it, and it's unique for the this problem you have. So for a different diagnostic, you will have a different diagnostic code. We call it a diagnostic code, and here it's BCE 2011. So under here you can see a quick fix icon, and if you click it, you will be suggested create function get age. So when you click that, you will be given the function, and with a default value of 0. So the function will be returning 0. And here also you will be, so this bulb is called code action, and if you click it, you will be given the available code actions for the scenario. So here you are given extract function, local variable, and constants. So we don't need to extract this one in this moment, so we can ignore it. But here you are shown this yellow highlight. So in yellow, previously we got red highlight, and it's a diagnostic in that moment, and here it's a warning. So if you go to this problems tab, here also you can see what's going on. So let's see, so it's a unused variable age. So this age variable has not been used anywhere, so it's complaining it's not unused. And you can see the diagnostic code is different this time. So you can see the bulb here also. So if you click it, you will be shown the code actions, and even from here we can add the code action. So you can see there are 3 places you can apply the code action. So let's accept one. Let's accept this one, ignore unused variable. So now it's fixed. So this is syntax in Ballerina. So the variable is ignored now, and yeah, we are good to go. So let's say, so let's try another function. So if you just type fu, and you will be suggested with lot of completion items or snippets. So here the first completion item is a function snippet, and let's accept that. Yeah, so this is highlighted, the function names. You can directly type the function name, let's say get total, and let's have some parameters, and let's return. So these are everything suggested int. Okay, so let's return a plus b, and let's call not get age, get total. So here this is called signature help, and you will be guided with in this case it's expecting an int. So this is blue color one is an int, and it's asking for an integer. So let's say 100 here, and after pressing the comma you will be suggested the second type, it's int. So yeah, so then again you will be having warnings for ignore unused variable, but let's go ahead and print the total. So here also you can see after typing the module name, you will be suggested with everything you have inside the function. So let's go ahead and print ln. So here also you can see the completion items are intelligent. So these completions are total, get age, those things are like, these are the most used uh, items which we have declared. So those are the completions we are getting initially. So let's just try running the code, and you can see we get 300. So yeah, so those are the common features in language server. So in the next video we'll check how to add new code actions, or how to change completions, and let's dig deep into some language server features. Until then, have a nice day.